This is the Mariah that got a new gimbal bearing, and when you put a new gimbal bearing in, you check engine alignment, and this alignment tool goes in place of where the upper drive slides into the drive coupler, and so it goes all the way in with no problems. Go ahead and put it back in and let it go all the way in. You can hear it bottoms out in the motor, so it goes in further right there than anyone would, and you can pull it out now. That's perfect alignment. You always want to check that when you put another gimbal bearing in. So there's the new gimbal bearing. It's in place, and we've also checked the teeth on the drive coupler, and they're in great shape. And there's where the boot for the inner shift cable has been removed, and once again it'll be getting a new inner shift cable. And it struggled to get out. You can see as it was coming out, it's been such a long time that there's actually some metal shaving, so we've got a tool. We'll clean those teeth up and keep on working. Oh, shine the light over here. And there's the boot that we pulled off, and so that's the hole in it. You might recognize it from where it was sitting before. So that's what we saw when we pulled it off, and there was a hole right there that allowed water in, and that's why there was water in there, and that's why the gimbal was bad and the U-joints were rusty. And this is the inner shift cable boot, and this is all normal. This one's probably 7 or 8 years old, so it was just shredded. There's the other part of that, and that was the part that went right inside of there, so it's getting a new one of those along with the inner shift cable. All of this was pretty much expected.